Hello guys, I'm back with book review. Today, Shweta will give a book review on The Leader's Way by His Holiness Dalai Lama and Lawrence Van Muyzenberg.
Hi everyone, this is Shweta Kumari and I am here to present the book review of this book, The Leader's Way, written by His Holiness Dalai Lama and Lawrence Van Muyzenberg, who is an international management consultant. Before heading towards the book review, I would like to tell you the story behind this book or how did this book came into the picture. In 1991, His Holiness Dalai Lama got a letter from Lawrence Van Muyzenberg suggesting that instead of focusing on the common themes between communism and Buddhism, you should consider how effectively the capitalism can be improved by Buddhist teachings. So His Holiness Dalai Lama got this idea right, and they met for a decade between 1991 to 2000, and finally in 2000 His Holiness Dalai Lama came with this book. So this book is born out of a decade of debate and discussion between Lawrence Van Muyzenberg and His Holiness Dalai Lama. Now let's come to the book review. This book contains 3 parts. First, leading yourself. Second, leading your organization. Third, leading in an interconnected world. Leading yourself deals with how you can make decisions effectively, the quality of decisions. The right decisions come with right intention and right motivation. Right intention comes with right view, and how that decision gives benefit to others and the people around you. Mindfulness, kindness and right action make the decision well for your organization. In this section, the Dalai Lama provides to improve your mind, train your mind. He gives 5 meditation tips which can improve your mind to build new decisions. Because in Buddhist philosophy, a true leader is one who makes right decisions. The second part is leading your organization. It focuses on how you can improve your leadership skills. On the values of the first part, it gives real life examples and practical exercises which will improve your leadership skills, which will ultimately benefit your organization and your stakeholders and your consumers. It asks, what is the purpose of an organization? Is it the profit making or providing jobs or happiness? The Buddhist teaching says it is the happiness. Happiness to the people benefiting from your organization, from the product and services you are giving to others. Third part deals with leading in an interconnected world. It says everything happening in one part of the world has an effect on the other part of the world. He says, His Holiness Dalai Lama says, globalization is positive as long as the leaders feel responsible universally to everyone. A free market only aims at giving enriching the gap between the rich and poor, but free market with her responsibility and responsible leaders will solve the problems, vital problems of the world, like poverty, environmental destruction, sustainability and economic sustainability. So a responsible free market, actually His Holiness the Dalai Lama gives another dimension to free market. He says a responsible free market will eject all the world's most important problems. So it is fine to produce leaders who are responsible, universally responsible to the world. This book is all the ones who want to achieve great heights in business, ones who are failing in business because of their decisions, and it's act as a seed for those who want to achieve great heights in entrepreneurship. So all those who want to be a good businessman or lead a remarkable life in leadership by forming a prominent organization, this book aims for you. So go and check out this book. This is just for you, for your developing leadership skill for all the individuals. Thank you.